Captura offers a wide range of project management tools, including the ability to add users to the platform and manage their roles and permissions. Go to the Users section and create a new user. From here, you can easily add students by entering their name and school email address, as well as assigning them a role. Captura will automatically send an invitation to their inbox so they can join and set up their account. Captura includes a proofer role, which allows users to view the book and provide comments. The school advisor role is extensive, giving you full control. Advisors can view and manage the book, lock and unlock pages, submit the book, and much more. The photographer role allows users to upload and manage candids without directly working in the book. The candid tagger role allows users to view and edit tags for candid photos. Next, let's look at how to manage and control user page assignments. Go to Project Management to view page assignments. Here, you can choose the number of pages to assign to a student, as well as the specific pages you would like to assign. As you can see, Captura's user management is simple and easy to navigate.